So, pakulo tayo ng tubig. I have here the bagoong isda. O, yan o. Philippines. Yan, lagyan natin ng bagoong. Okay. After bawang, we will put the saluyot. O, yan o. Saluyot yan. We will put the saluyot inside. Ayan. Ayan o. So, yan na yung saluyot natin o. Ayan. So, kailangan na lang natin takpan. Okay. Then, I'll put some little bit of vinegar. Alright. So, this is it. This is how